Hello guys, this is Muhammad Abu Bakar. Welcome to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. Today I am going to show you how to create disk partitions. If you find this video useful, kindly please share, comment, like and subscribe. Search here computer management. You can click run as administrator and disk management. See here already I have two partitions here. Uh, so I want to make one more partition from D drive to make another partition. So I will come here and in the disk management. From here I will right click on the disk and I will make it as shrink, and exactly I want to increase 100 GB another drive. So I will give here 102400 this MB. So shrink. So you can see here it's created like unlocated, so 100 GB. So once I will right click on this drive, new simple volume, next as it is, next, finish. So it's created like another hard drive. You can see here, refresh. These are the simple steps to create partition in your PC. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.